Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. In this video I will tell you one of the easiest way to back up your computer data. In order to back up computer data, you just need to open File Explorer. So either you can search in the search icon, or if you see the icon for File Explorer, just open it. Once it is opened, you need to make sure that where exactly you want to save your data. So if you want to save it to your external hard drive, you can connect it. If you want to save it to your USB flash drive, you can do that as well. Now the very first step is to go to this PC and here click on local disk C. And inside the C drive, you will find users. Open this user option and here you need to make sure which user you want to use. So I use this one. So I will just do a double click on this and from here I can copy the folder or you can copy the whole folder of the user. So if I want to copy this document, I will just right click on it and from here I will copy this. Now go back to that drive where you want to save this data. So if I want to save this copied item in the desktop, I will just right click here on paste. So this was the simplest way to back up your computer data. Please let me know how exactly you back up your computer data. Thanks for your time.